So hey guys, this is Ashutosh and I will be presenting on Thermocouple. So the content of my presentation are as follow. Firstly, we have objective, then introduction, then working principle of thermocouples, and then we have types of thermocouples, their application, and at last we have conclusion. So the objective of this presentation is to understand what thermocouples are, how they work, and their different types, and how they are used in various industries and scientific fields. Introduction. So thermocouple is basically a temperature measuring device made of two dissimilar metals joined at one end. It generates a voltage proportional to the temperature difference between the joint end and the other ends. Thermocouples are widely used due to their simplicity, durability, and wide temperature range. The working of a thermocouple is based on Seebeck effect. This phenomena generates an electromotive force or voltage in a closed circuit of two dissimilar metals when the junctions are maintained at different temperatures. Now let's analyze this diagram that illustrates the working of a thermocouple. Hot junction. This is the point where the two dissimilar metals are joined and the temperature to be measured is applied. In the diagram, you can see this junction labeled as hot junction. Heat is applied here, which cause electrons to move due to temperature difference. Cold junction. This is the other end of the circuit where the metals are not joined. It is maintained at a known temperature and also act as a reference point. In the diagram, the cold junction is shown at a lower temperature as compared to the hot. The key concept here is the temperature difference between the hot and cold junction, which cause movement of electrons from hot to cold junction. And due to this difference, an electromotive force or a voltage is generated in the circuit. The voltage created is proportional to the temperature difference between hot and cold junction. And this voltage is measured by a device such as voltmeter as shown in the diagram. The thermocouple wires are connected to a measuring device which reads the generated voltage. Modern devices use calibration data to convert this voltage into a temperature reading. So we have hot junction, cold junction, and the voltage generated is proportional to the temperature difference. So here is the mathematical relationship between the EMF generated and the temperature difference, and it can be expressed as E equals to S Th minus Tc, where E is the EMF generated, S is the Seebeck coefficient, and it depends upon the type of material we are using. Th and Tc are the temperature of hot and cold junction respectively. Measurement process. This process involves connecting the thermocouple to a measuring device like a voltmeter, then converting the voltage into temperature reading based on the calibration data, compensating for a cold junction temperature using modern device for improved accuracy. Types of thermocouples. The major types of thermocouples include type K. It is made up of chromal and enamel. It is most commonly used with wide range of -200 to 1260 degrees Celsius. Then we have type J. It is made up of iron and constantan. It is inexpensive and has a limited range of -40 to 750 degrees Celsius. Then we have type T, made up of copper and constantan. It is suitable for low temperature ranging from -200 to 370 degrees Celsius. Then we have type E, made up of chromal and constantan. It has high sensitivity, range of -200 to 870 degrees Celsius. Then we have type S, made up of platinum and ruthenium. It has high temperature stability up to 1600 degrees Celsius and is used in laboratories. Then we have type B and R for extreme high temperature applications above 1600 degrees Celsius. Applications. Thermocouples are used in various fields. Some of them I have mentioned here. Firstly, industrial applications like monitoring furnace and kiln temperatures and in power plants. They are used in scientific research, especially in measuring extreme temperatures. Thermocouples are also used in medical equipments such as sterilization process, where elimination of biological organisms such as algae and fungi are done by physical and chemical process. They are also used in aerospace, including temperature measurements in jet engines and spacecraft systems. Thermocouple also plays a vital role in HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems to ensure accurate temperature monitoring, control, and energy efficiency. So we can conclude that thermocouples are essential for accurate temperature measurement because they are reliable and versatile. Knowing how they work and their different types help us to use them efficiently in many areas. With advancement in technologies, thermocouple will become more precise and useful in future. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. I would be happy to answer any questions.